agree that he will play the video for your classmates. But I think that after he record the video, he should play himself and ensure the quality of the video. I think in the next, if you have used this manner to give your presentation, please ensure that the voice and the screen is the voice is high and the screen is clear. Okay, so your classmates can watch this video. Okay, that's my suggestion. So, in general, the quality of this group's presentation is moderate. Oh, okay. I mean that is just in average level. Okay. So next, I want to talk something about our fellow project schedule. Okay. But please stop your screen share. Okay. I will share my screen.
Hello, Nasir.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I can't.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
First pause it, then stop it.
Now it's okay now.
You scroll on the
Yeah,
function above.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Martin.
Yeah. For
We can't hear you, Lachi.
No voice, Laushi. No voice, Laushi.
There's an issue with Laushi's internet.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Because
now it's okay.
Sorry. Okay. So for the sixth project is about power flow, and after power flow, you may cut out certain transmission lines. So after the fault, you cut out the transmission line, and then your analysis where there is some transmission line overloaded or there is some bus voltage out of range. So project 6 is actually about power flow and circuitry analysis. Project 7 is about automatic generating control. I want you use and I want you observe the performance of our system after large disturbance. What's the performance or what's the dynamic performance of the system? So project 7 is about automatic generating control. Project 8 and 9 is about unit commitment. For these two projects, you should use two different algorithms. One is dynamic programming, the other is about Lagrange relaxed method. Okay, so for two topics, you should use different algorithm. For project 10, it's also about security analysis, but but the system is different. Okay, project 11 is about optimal power flow. Optimal power flow, I suggest you use Matplotlib to solve the optimal power flow. Because this topic have a lot been printed, so I see there are two guys have already chosen this topic. Okay, for this 11 topics, so that means there are about 22 groups you could join. You could use your group members could be the same as you give your presentations, or also you can join other group. It depends on you. For each group, there should be not more than 5 members. Okay, so one group includes less than 5 members, and a group submit a group report. Okay, and also you should submit their executable program package. I mean that you should submit your code and the report together. Okay. Also in the program, also in the report, you should claim what you have done for each group members. What you have done in this report, or what's your contribution for this project. Okay. The deadline for this report is about June 30. Okay. So, any question for this?
Sir, I have a problem. Can I share?
Yes. Okay.
Sir,
You mean you want to share screen or share your idea?
show my idea, sir. Can I speak, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, I choose the topic number 8, dynamic programming to solve unit commitment method
Yes.
last night. And it was the topic of my presentation, my group presentation.
Yes.
Now this morning, Jamshed and Daniel group also selected the same topic. In this topic, we only have to handwritten solve the problem, which is very lengthy, and the solution will be similar. If anyone can do it, the solution will be similar because it's a mathematical problem. And it has no simulation, so the report will be much similar.
Yes, the basic theory of dynamic programming is the same or is similar. Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
think so.
That
But
also seems.
but for the same algorithm, different guys will code their program differently. I think this is true. Yes.
Sir, in dynamic programming, is there any coding for that? I not see any simulation in mentioned in the group. It's only a mathematical problem, and we have to solve it.
Yeah, I mean you should convert the dynamic programming theory into code. So different group will code the program differently. So I mean that though the theory is very similar, but the program will be different because you have different program structure, or you use different program. Okay, so this is the first difference. Also your report. The most important part of your report is the discussion. I mean that the solution is the same, but you will make different discussion about the results. Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more thing, can I please ask?
Okay, please.
Sir, according to my understanding, our project not have any simulation, not have any programming. It is only a mathematical problem that we have to solve. Is it correct or not?
No. For this pilot project, you are not required to calculate the method, calculate the problem by hand. You should make code to solve this problem. Okay.
Sir, any idea where to code?
Yeah. So, the objective of this project is to convert this algorithm and solve this problem by computer, not by hand. Okay.
Sir, can you give me any rough idea which software should I use to solve this?
Okay, so the most friendly tool is MATLAB. You could use MATLAB to code the program.
Understand, sir. Sir, but it is
Okay.
basically a mathematical equations that the coding will be more similar. I'm just mentioning it so it not have any issue after.
So what's your question?
So I'm just mentioning it because it will be much similar, though, so it should not have some problem after we submit it.
Laushi, we have to solve this by general formula of dynamic programming. So if we are these two groups, definitely they will solve by dynamic programming general formula. So Asad is saying that we would be almost same. So in my last presentation, we had already discussed this problem. So another group choose this, and there will be much similarity in both topics.
Even we do it on MATLAB, still it would be same equations. Most of the coding will be similar.
Okay.
Because it's just a mathematical equation. I think it's
Yes.
our
Even
topic
I have shared a
it's our
solution too.
it's our topic and we choose it first. So I think we should be getting priority. Please solve this problem, sir.
Okay.
The rest is in your hands.
Okay. Okay. I will. You will think there is risk that there may be some similar between the different groups. So I will provide you much more. I will provide you more topics. Okay. That means at present there are about 11 projects. Okay. Because I know there are 12 groups. I will provide maybe 12 topic or 13 topics. So different group choose different topic. Okay.
Yeah, I get your point, sir. But we choose first, and it is regarding our topic, so we should be getting priority to choose this, not the other group that choose later.
Yes. The priority is that if you give the presentation, you will have the presentation. You will have the priority for this topic. Okay. That's the
yes,
that's
sir.
The rule.
And also we choose first.
Yes, that's a rule. I think okay. I think there's no problem if you give the presentation about this topic. You have the priority to choose the final project about this topic. Okay.
And we already choose this first, and we also have given presentation on this topic.
Yes.
Both two points. 2 points. Yeah.
Okay. Any more concerns about the task?
No, sir. I think it's well enough.
Laushi, I have a question.
Okay, please.
Please guide the group if you want them to change.
Yeah, please.
Our group will have chosen the power flow calculation, but in the report you give us the suggestion to use MATLAB. Is it possible so that we can use a PyCharm?
Yes. You mean that you want to use a different tool to solve this problem?
Yeah, I want to use the PyCharm.
Okay. Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
I just provide you some suggest tool. If you have you have another tool or you have your favorite tool, it's also okay.
Okay, we will use a PyCharm.
Okay.
Laushi, one question.
Okay.
Yeah, Laushi, project 6 is regarding a Power World simulation related project. So doesn't involve it doesn't involve any coding. So we'll just show simulation results and discuss on it.
For project 6, let me check. For project 6, I suggest you use the Power Word to solve this problem.
Yeah, it involves Power Word.
Power Word.
Doesn't involve any coding.
I have already give the Power Word tool here. You mean that you don't know how to use Power Word? This is your question?
No. We just need to use Power Word and do the simulations. No coding is involved in it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any more concerns about this project? So I just get some feedback from your classmates. I will add more topic for this project. Okay. So I will.
Laushi, have you shared your Power Word simulator in this group, WeChat group? Can you share it as well again? All right, got it. Thank you. Thank you, Laushi.
Okay. Okay. If you if you don't have any more question, we will end the class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you a lot.
Okay. I will reschedule this final project and send in the WeChat group. Please pay your attention. Okay. Bye bye. If you don't have more question.
Yes, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.